In this video, you'll learn how to use the 5 power words that will make you sound more intelligent, more professional, and more positive in your workplace. These powerful words will help you express your ideas with confidence and ease when speaking to your superiors, your colleagues, and your peers. And if you hang on until the end of this video, I'll give you a simple but helpful tip to level up your written reports and office emails. Are you ready? Let's fix your English now. What are power words? Power words are words that smart people use to trigger a psychological or emotional response. They're called power words because they're so persuasive that people simply can't resist being influenced by them. The spectacular thing about this lesson is it involves making just a little tweak to the way you speak or write. By the way, did you notice how I used a power word in the last sentence? I substituted a common word like great or cool with spectacular. You see, you can easily tweak the way you speak and write by simply replacing a common word with a power word. Now, let's look into 5 power words that will make you sound like a pro. Let's start with power word number 1, elaborate. To elaborate simply means to provide more detail. There are numerous instances in the workplace where a superior or colleague needs clarification or additional information. For example, your boss is giving you a new assignment and the instructions he or she is giving is unclear. Well, instead of saying, "I don't understand," or "What do you mean?" be polite and professional with your response by using the word elaborate. Could you elaborate? Or kindly elaborate, or please elaborate. Here's a tip. Feel free to switch the word elaborate with expound. Power word number 2, sensational. What words do native speakers use to convey positivity or indicate things are going well? Overused words like great or awesome are common replies. Awesome is still a powerful word, but we want to set you apart from the rest and expand your vocabulary. For example, your boss recognizes your hard work and rewards you with a company-paid trip to the Bahamas for 2. You can reply by saying, "That would be sensational." A colleague offers to assist you to beat your report's deadline. Your response could be, "Sensational. I can't thank you enough." Or a superior asks, "How is your project coming along?" "Sensational. We're right on schedule." Here's a tip. Try using the words spectacular or amazing too. Power word number 3, complication. There is a word that every individual or organization dreads. That word is problem. Especially if it appears in statements like, "There's a problem with the new server," or "There's a problem with the turnaround time of the manufacturing division," or "We've encountered a legal problem midway through the project." The word complication, however, does not sound as intimidating or negative as the word problem, so go ahead and use it. There's a complication with a new server. There's a complication with the turnaround time of the manufacturing division. We've encountered a legal complication midway through the project. Here's a tip. You can replace the word complication with challenge. Okay, we're almost there. The practical tip to writing powerful emails or reports is just a few minutes away. Let's move on to power word number 4, absolutely. What are the most common words used by people to say they agree to a request? Okay, sure, no problem. These responses are common as they are casual. Be professional and substitute those responses with absolutely. Let's say your boss asks you to submit a report by day's end. Respond with absolutely instead of a common acknowledgement like okay. A client is requesting to renegotiate payment terms. Replace a common response like sure with absolutely or absolutely, we can look into that. Or a coworker asks for assistance with a project. Instead of saying no problem, try absolutely or absolutely happy to help. Here's a tip. You can alternate the word absolutely with certainly or surely. Power word number 5, amend. If there's one word that people are uncomfortable with, it's change, especially if it's asked of you. Supposing you're halfway into finishing a marketing proposal and your team leader says, you need to change your timeline, it's too long. How would you react? Replace the word change with amend and feel the difference. You need to amend your timeline. It's too long. So if you were in the position to ask a coworker or subordinate to change something, use the word amend. Amend your budget. What's the best amount you can work with? For a better proposal, make amendments to the payment terms. For a more effective campaign, amend the slogan to one with more recall. Here's a tip. You can also replace the word amend with alter or modify. Now let's get you to practice power word substitution. Replace the highlighted word with a better word. Pick more than one correct answer. Exercise 1. You need to change your team's mindset. Exercise 2. The result of the campaign is problematic. Exercise 3. I couldn't understand the objective of the campaign. Could you repeat? Exercise 4. Am I up to the task? No problem. Exercise 5. The performance of your team was really awesome. Are you confident with your choice of power words? These are my power word picks. Exercise 1. Exercise 2. Exercise 3. Exercise 4. Exercise 5. So, did you choose the same power words I chose? Now it's time for that tip to write better reports or emails. Most word processors or email apps have a thesaurus function. Let's say you're typing a report on Microsoft Word and you have repeated a certain word more than 3 times already. Easy. Just highlight the word or put a cursor before it and hit Shift with F7 and a list of similar words will appear. Make an intelligent choice and replace that word with a word of your choice. Here's a quick recap of our 5 power words. Power word number 1, elaborate. Power word number 2, sensational. Power word number 3, complication. Power word number 4, absolutely. Power word number 5, amend. Which one of these power words made an impact on you? Just send me your comment after this video. I'd really love to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be available. Okay then, you have yourself a great day and God bless.